Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna present about my research study on the factor contribute to poor management of illegal logging at Tasik Chini Pahang. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Shafiza binti Muhammad Azri and my metric number is E24A3297. My study focus on land pollution. Tasik Chini, located at Pekan Pahang, is the second largest of natural freshwater lake. It supports the community of Jakun, orang asli, and was declared by UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 2010. However, illegal logging and mining activity continue to threat biodiversity and water quality around the lake. So our main objective has three. First, to evaluate why illegal mining is poorly managed. Second, to identify governance gap on environmental law enforcement. And lastly, to assess socio-economic impact on Orang Jakun community. This study focused on Tasik Chini and its surrounding area. It involves state governance, federal agency, orang asli community, and NGOs such as Sahabat Alam Malaysia. The aim is to protect biodiversity and water resources while safeguarding orang asli right and their livelihood. The goal is to strengthen Malaysia environmental governance and to be declared by UNESCO again. So, previous study showed that Tasik Chini faced illegal logging and mining because of weak enforcement, overlapping jurisdiction, limited monitoring, and lack of manpower hinder management. Economic pressure and exclusion of the orang asli community further weaken conservation effort. So, the main issue are weak governance, economic priority, and poor community involvement. This study was conducted in Tasik Chini. Data sources include academic journal, governance report, NGO report, and orang asli perspective. The focus is on illegal logging and weak management, a literature review, and the thematic analysis were used to study governance enforcement, economy, and community involvement. Findings were compared with UNESCO Biosphere Reserve Standard to identify gaps and propose sustainable solution. Suggested a solution includes stronger enforcement, integrated policies, and active local participation. So, in conclusion, Tasik Chini is rich in biodiversity but threatened by the logging and mining. The main cause are weak enforcement, overlapping policies, exclusion of orang asli, and economic pressure. So, the impact include biodiversity loss, water pollution, and socio-economic challenge. As this study provide evidence to improve governance and align with UNESCO standard. Thank you for listening to my presentation.